Hello, good morning, these friends. Hello, Zoe. Good morning. Say hi. Let's see here, guys. We'll buy fish. We're buying some fish here. So, pila ang kilo, kuya?
200.
200? Hi, Mali. Hinay. Be careful, Zoe, because it's slippery. Oops. Slowly, slowly.
The fish.
Huh?
Look at the fish.
Not the fish.
Look.
Where's the fish? Wala man.
Hey.
Good morning. Maadto ta sa kuan. We will eat pussy. Puto si ko. Puto si ko ate. We're back!
Lagi! Balik!
Ibalik ni. Basta makalamit, ibalik-balikan lang. Puto. Sige na. Pagpila na isa ate.
5.
5 niya. 5 ate.
Cheese ang serve.
Beef. So, diba? Matapula ni Ten.
Kanin.
Ito nga kuha rin, tapos na ka lang.
Kanin.
Brown siya ate?
Oo.
Sige, sige.
Yan, nasa white. Katong itinit ang white.
Katarang white. We're back here at Ate Dindin's. Puto si Kwate. Lami kayo ni siya, guys. Dito na lang may mag-take out lang mi guys. Kay Saba dire. Dito lang may magkaon.
Nagkapalit ako.
So guys, we're back here at Kuya Jom's crib. And by the way guys, I will teach you how to eat something without taking off your mask. So in ano ito siya guys. Oh, it's the tapol. It's brown and this is how you eat the puto without taking off your mask. It's yummy. Diba? Ano, mali. Ang unat ba? Stretching. So guys, moto mi sa tindahan kay I will buy my toothbrush because I forgot my toothbrush. I forgot to bring my toothbrush. I'm with Kolot. What's my name? Clant. Si Clant. Clant Bondad. Hello. Ba't mo toothbrush eh? Toothbrush. Naman na video. Okay guys. Makapiright tani. Yay! And it's pink! Tara! Hey guys! So we're off to mag-snorkeling me and I have my my fins and snorkeling mask. Kainapa nila ni sa akong friend. Guys! Iuli na akong kuhan guys! Fins guys! Kaya para maka-freedive na ako nila sa Catmon. So, nagbaro lang sa ako nila ni Kuya Jom sa mask, dara, o sa fins. Balikan ni siya na fins, kay pang scuba ni siya. Hindi siya pang freedive. Pero sige na lang.
Hello! Miss Daisy. So, Catmon spot, Panalipan. With our friends.
Wow!
And Kintoy, the Pilang boys.
Hello!
Time can never be your trusted friend or your sworn ally. No, it's the harshest mistress of all. And life is just a chain of moments spent, 1,000 hellos and goodbyes. Maybe a love like ours can leave out its call. I
just waiting for our food. Okay. What's the oras? I think it's already 11:43 and we're still waiting for our food. And while waiting, I'll make use of my time. I will edit my previous vlogs, my pending vlogs. After magkaon kaya, I think mag-dive na sa dumi. I'm loving it. See you later, guys. And by the way, guys, look at this. Oh, it's so cute. See, I got this from Shopee. So thank you, Shopee. Becca,
Iba-turn na siya sa yung drone.
yeah, where's my drone? I'll show you my drone. Look at this. They're twins. Yeah, see? So cute. Hey guys, so our food is ready. Day 2 lunch. We have crispy pata. And what's this? Yay! Salamat kay pagbigyan akong sabaw. I'm craving for sabaw.
Sinigang ba?
Yes, it's sinigang. Thank you guys! Guys, so wala may kaon guys. And nag-chill-chill lang mi diri. Wala sila. Si Maki kay nag-coach siya dito.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive.
Taas kayo itong biyahe, no?
Lagi, ano to?
Hindi ka ganahan ato lahat na biyahe?
Pila na kami na.
Wala. Ako kaya taga-jade akong diving com.
Ah,
Okay. Sige, gaman naman ko niya. Pinala nyo ko safety stop. Enjoy ka, Day.
ayo. Lagi daw. Pwede ko tawa kayo. Ano to?
Kasi lang ang iyang kamot na lang gamit magkagyapon ng kamot.
Ano man?
Kasi gyapon kong pangalan ng kamot. Patayon na minukuron gani og corals gani na arinis sa linis mamay dito gyud.
Makalimutan ka. Ang angkod kay, inaganan ako sa ilawom no. Nang murag maka-feel ko na naay coral. Mga anak ko ka igbo.
Anak. Ayun si
Dili na ko kanang sa kaos na yun.
Done with my fourth dive. Amazing kayo guys. Kita mig koan, clam. Dami sa ilaw mga 63 minutes daw. What happened to your nose?
Oh yeah, so we dive, I breathe underwater, and then my nose is blood.
My nose is blooding. My nose is blooding because the fishes are English baka. Charot. Di kang nagdagat kay gutom gid kayo siya. So, napami leftover
from lunch.
Yes. So muna siya kaon mini sa kay kami naman nag-dive. Gutom kay ko.
Worth it ra ang kuan. Ang sunggo.
Muli namin guys si Makio kay Loy na kayo. Uliyon na. Gimingaw na siyang mga isda sa aquarium. I think I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please follow my other social media accounts. I post my photos and everything there. So I have Instagram and Facebook. Please follow me. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. So yes guys, overall I really enjoyed my weekend getaway here at Kuya Jom's crib. With my friends,
Bea.
Bea and
With her friends. You so dark. Oh wait, also. And me!
So yes guys, I will end it now. Bye guys! See you in my next vlog. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations and seize the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!